Okay, so today we're going to be replacing this switch on my Polaris. Let me bring it back a little bit. Yeah, it went bad the other day, so well, I decided just to make a video on it. You know, might as well, right? I got it from Amazon. It seems to be about the right thing. Let's see if there's a part number. All right, there's a part number right there. All right, what was that? All right, well, let's bring it over there and see if see what's going on. Yeah, so when you get on it, turn it on. There's no neutral light or anything. It's inside this switch right here. You see the? Let's see here. Okay, so it like, see it? Yeah, there's a short in there. So let's just unplug them right here. I'm on unplug. There we go. There's one. Let's see here. All right, come on now. Get a screwdriver real quick. Or a pick. One of these bad boys right here. Probably do just fine. There we go. Well, that was a bear. Okay, now it looks like maybe Allen wrench here. So let me try to look and see what that that size is, and I'll bring it back. All right. After you unloosen that Allen right there, take your Phillips here. Now, me being a mechanic, I'm going to see if I can take this apart later on and see exactly what happened to it, and maybe even have like a spare, you know. I don't know. But that's just how I operate, guys. I'm a bit of a hoarder, my wife says. Alright, so let's get this apart here. Stop playing around. Alright. Oh no, I think, do we have to take the hand grip off? I hope not. I hope not. We'll be doing a video on hand grips. Yeah. 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 There we go. All right. Okay. There we are. All right, so it just looks like they kind of separate there, eh? So they slide into each other or something. Those pins slide into here. Kind of goes like that. Huh. All right, we'll fool with that later. Let's get this going on here. All right, we'll back out that. So there's probably yeah, see right here. There's like a little area where that was sitting at. So let's see if we can't get this backed out here. so we're not scraping the whole thing all the way, you know. There we are. All right. So I just backed out. Those screws, like I said, like this. If you didn't see it, we're kind of cramped in the shop, so I kind of got you guys like pushed up a little bit. Sorry about that, but we can do it, you know. Oh, okay, we don't even have to take those screws out. What was I thinking? I don't know. I'm doing this just like you guys are doing it. You guys might even be doing it better. I don't know. Alright, so slide that on there. And I want to say it was like 25 bucks for this this unit off of Amazon. That part number. So not too bad, right? Alright, before we go locking her down, let's see if she gives us a yay. All right, look at there, guys. All right, now we're in business. See, off, on, lights are working. Whoa, that was all right. Yeah, I accidentally hit the button too. All right, well, you know the start works. Sweet. Yeah, I didn't want to start it up in the shop here because I got the doors closed. It's kind of cold today. But yeah, all right. Hey, man. That's pretty cool, right? So, thanks for hanging out with me. And remember, it's just nuts and bolts. God bless.